Hi, today we're gonna make some sweet prawn sashimi, and then we're gonna deep fry the heads. This is an idea that we got from another local foodie, Eating with Kirby. Her blogs and her social link below. And yeah, we've never done this before, so we're gonna go in a little bit blind and we'll see how it is. It's my first time even handling shrimp. So yeah, let's start it off by destroying these prawns and ripping their souls out. And ripping their heads off. They're kind of lively, it's kind of scary, they're very pointy. Let's hope I don't destroy my hands, because I have an assistant here.
Hello.
And he will do some heavy lifting.
We're gonna grab a shrimp. Oh, they are very lively. So we're just gonna grab it by the body right here and also the other hand onto the head, right where the connecting of the neck part is. And then we just twist one swift motion, like that.
My turn now. I'm scared.
Good. Nice.
my face is like, another one. Oh jeez, it jiggled in my hand. Now that we've removed all the heads from the bodies, next we're going to remove all the shells from these bodies, so we could put it into the fridge, freeze it up, get a little bit of the sweetness come out a bit more for the sashimi. It's hard to remove. How do I get this part? Will take some time, and we'll put it after. Oh hey, you caught me just lining up my shrimp. Next step we have is to just give it a quick little rinse after we've cleaned out the little bits, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge and get to eat it in a few hours, and we'll let you know how it tastes. We're now gonna deep fry these prawn heads. We just made a simple mixture of flour, salt, pepper, and paprika. Right now we're just waiting for it to heat up, so stay tuned. Cocaine bust! The shrimps had a nice, wild, long weekend here. Well, now that we've coated some of our shrimp heads with the flour, we're gonna get ready to fry it. And when you're frying, please remember to bring all your safety gear, like this shield. And now we start it. Okay. Ah! Ah! And then another one. So I put the second one. Ah! Okay, there's 3 in here now. Ah! Ah! Okay, now let me go. Wow! Look at all that. It's real crispy. Do this one, and this one. Now, whoa, here's our next 3. Onto over here. Now we're finally finished frying all our shrimps. We have this that we put in the fridge for an hour, in the freezer for a bit, as well as all of our fried heads. Oh, good! Like all that tastes like fried chip, and look, the inside still has a lot of meat. It tastes really good. And the inside, it's really sweet. And now, onto this delicious, juicy... Oh! I didn't want soy sauce! I'm gonna eat this on its own. So good! It's very sweet. And the meat is like, has a little... nice... Probably not as much crunch as if we didn't put it in the freezer, but I think it's sweeter when we put it in the freezer. Well, thanks for joining us on this adventure of making spot prawn sashimi as well as the deep fried spot prawn heads. So thanks for Kirby for posting this simple and easy to follow recipe. The links and her social will be linked below. Hopefully next time we'll have something else for us to try out. And yeah, go check out the Spot Prawn Festival.